Hi, everyone. Welcome to day 3 of TestMu 2023. I'm Chandni, People Partner at Lambda Test. We've reached the finale of TestMu 2023. This conference was eagerly awaited and exceeded our expectations. We've been trending on Twitter. Thanks for all the love and contribution. Think of TestMu 2023 as a spotlight shining on new ideas, teamwork, big changes, and how we test things. We've seen and heard some incredible things during this event that will surely change how we look at testing. It's also important to emphasize that TestMu is a warm and inclusive gathering. No matter what, your background, gender, ethnicity, or experiences, you are an integral part of this community and the conference. It's our goal to create an environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing ideas, learning, and growing. It's the diversity of voices that shape the future of testing that makes the event so special. We have eminent speakers like Anne-Marie and Shivani delivering keynotes at the TestMu conference this year. And thanks to our amazing program committee that we have included first-time speakers in our event. Equal opportunity is at the heart of Lambda Test, and TestMu conference is not an exception, where age and experience are not a barrier. If you have something to share that shapes the future of testing, TestMu is your home. Kicking off things, we've got Shivani Gaba, our keynote speaker, the brain behind Bionics. She's gonna spill the beans, a tester's journey in the world of machine learning. Imagine testing and meeting the cool world of machine learning. You don't wanna miss this. Later on, we've got a panel of big shots from, we've got LIT Mindtree, Accenture Solutions, Signity Technology, Pexon, and Deloitte. They're all going to spill the beans on managing testing landscape frameworks and tools for an enterprise. As the day rolls on, we have a great set of topics. We'll be covering right from ML in testing, testing serverless application, Cylinder and Appium, transitive testing, testing at scale, Zen AI for software productivity, enterprise testing with Vue.js, and many more. Oh, and don't forget the highlight, the Delta Awards winner announcement. We're going to cheer on the rock stars of testing. We also have contests and challenges running. Get rewarded for active participation with the conference leaderboard. We'll be announcing the winners today. Also, shout out to all our 40 plus partners who have been a great value add to this conference with their showcase of cutting edge tools and technology. Please make sure you go visit our partners at their booths. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all of you attendees for being a part of this incredible journey so far and making TestMu what it is today. So let's make this the last day of TestMu 2023, one to remember. Get ready to soak up the wisdom, make new friends, rock the testing world. Thanks for joining us on this epic ride, and let's make today amazing.